Yeah, because 196 megs is going to take a minute here home network.
I have good performance, but
You have good performance, but
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Okay, well, I'm recording what I'm doing right
So
now.
to get back to the point here, because I don't want to get totally, that's,
So,
these sessions, since they're always kind of one-offs and months between them, there's always a lot of setup and upgrading and stuff. But I'd love to get you to talk,
Okay.
even though I can't see everything for questions about what I'm looking
okay,
at.
cool. So,
So yeah, and I understand the concept of exactly what, in the combo box, you know, you have to put it out into a clipboard and then you have to put the clipboard back in so that it reflects it. I found for the default one, see I haven't been using yours, as soon as I put it back in, well then it broke the other iRise. What is the name of this damn thing? I keep wanting to call it. It's not a combo box.
well, I call it a ComboBox. iRise calls it as auto suggest.
Auto suggest. Okay. Well, and I'm happy to call it combo box. The auto suggest of iRise broke when I ran a clipboard back into it.
And that's yeah. So I'll get this packaged up. That's let's be interested.
Yeah. So that's why this is a good demo. So it runs it out to the clipboard and to a refresh. And now what did you do there before you submitted? On click, you submitted the form. Okay.
Oops.
These might be a practical
thing. The programmer who said how he wanted me to do this, he said over and over, I just want it to be like Google is. Well, I think he uses Google and it's always just one level, right? So he's used to the idea that he starts to type in the term, the drop-down box gives him the choices, he picks one, and then it goes to wherever that term is. Well, but I'm going to have to, when you pick one, then drop down another, open another box, right? I mean, ask the second question. And I think that's going to be kind of a non-obvious thing because, well, okay, I picked it and now it's sitting there. Well, it's because I got to start to type in a second word.
Well, Sean, if you see this, can you go to the, just the web page of what I had, because I think I've got this link. Let me...
Oh, I think my studio finally came
Oh,
up.
cool. Because otherwise you can follow along with this.
That shows how slow everything is here on my end. This isn't the best. Okay, I'm looking at your face again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can go back to Hangouts.
I can go back to Hangouts.
I am in the video call.
I am in the video call. So I'm just seeing you in Google Hangouts. Or before I was seeing your screen.
And it only lets me share applications.
Not the whole desktop?
Not the whole desktop?
Try it again.
No, that might be a security thing.
No, that might be a security thing, safety thing.
I guess so, but they go for the video pretty quickly.
Yeah, because the performance here is good. I think it's just that you have a higher resolution screen.
Yeah.
So everything's just minuscule over here.
So anyways, I've
got
that up there. Let's, so for the fruits, we need some logic.
But
I'd love to see the screen again. Whatever you were showing me.
Let me see, because it just kind of bound out. Let's see if I can get it to do a share screen. Okay.
Okay.
So, yeah, I see the data line.
So, yeah, I see the data line, I see the blue line. So when you start to type, we'll go to one of those three. Do me a favor and add, you showed me how it just has the built-in fruit.
Yeah.
Add a second apple.
Okay.
Or an avocado, so that I have something that when you gets clicked.
Sure.
You have two choices on the menu.
It's a...
Yeah.
Right.
Avocado or artichoke or something.
Oh man, you're gonna make me spell here?
No, you don't spell it.
No, you don't spell
it.
ABOCODO. Probably wrong. There's an A somewhere in avocado. C-A-B-O. Avocado.
All right, so we'll see if it alphabetizes it.
Yeah.
So let's
see this part work.
So right now, mine you can use a drop down, or you can start typing.
That'd be
Yep.
fine.
That'd be fine. That's not described.
Well, because otherwise, this is what the iRise has. Apple, see, and then also, if you want to see everything you have, it's not, it doesn't show you everything.
I heard those words, but then if you want to see everything, it doesn't show.
Oh, I'm sorry, you're not seeing my.
You can't see the whole list, right?
I'm demonstrating how these drop-down boxes are working, and I forget you can't see. I switched over to the other screen, and I forgot that you can't see it. So
Next, see your screen somewhere?
you can't. Well, yes, you can if you go to the URL that I sent you.
When
Send it.
I write, I went to the survival.
No, this supposed to be.
I've got your iRise for Life open. I've got your old project still open.
I just sent you an email called ForShawn.
Click on ForShawn.
Take a look for ForShawn.
I think I have an old version.
I think I have an old version. Didn't get updated with ForShawn.
There we go.
There we go. ForShawn. That's the problem. ForShawn. Okay. Ooh, I can see things better.
But
now to render it,
I can show
I can show requirements, I can show contents, I can edit it, manage it, review it. I feel stupid saying this, but I don't know how to render it. I mean, the upper left corner, I can show guides, I can show comments, I can show requirements, I can review it, I can edit it, manage it, I can figure out how to just make it run in another way.
So I just sent you a link. So what happens when you hit that link?
My goodness.
Shows how seldom I use Hangouts. I have stuff from Dustin Boschker and Jessica Palmer from 2013 on the same page as yours. Like recent past calls.
I'm
on a video call. I saw your...
Well, I guess what I'm curious is you have an email. The email is called ForShawn. My question is, what happens when you open up the email ForShawn and you click that hyperlink?
Since we've been talking, I've got 8 messages.
Yes.
And none of them...
Oh, really?
But I have Tony added Sean to the Hangout. I missed a call. Tony added Sean to the Hangout again. There's all kinds of interface here. Showing me all kinds of systems. I have so many windows open at this point.
Okay.
But I don't. And I do have. Wait a second. Over here where I see your feed.
At 10:01 p.m. sent me a link, and I can click on that.
Click on that.
And it redirects it.
And it redirects it and runs it.
And it
shows me
the
ForShawn page
in the editor.
In
the online editor. It doesn't show me the page rendered in the browser.
Okay, let's I'm gonna just give you one more link, and then I think this will simplify our this.
Because I can see the
I can
messages,
see
and
the messages, and that's why. So
All right, can you see? I'm gonna send you something right now.
I just this is what I'm
This is what I'm looking at. That interface right there. You sent me a link, and I responded with the word this. Do you see that message?
Do you see that message?
Let me take a look. Not in there. Nope.
I now have another link right there.
I'll have another link right there by this.
And it's opening up
It's
for every
opening up for every idea.
Yes, and we'll use that. I don't think this. I'm gonna close this down. I'm gonna use the For Every Idea wiki. I'm recording this, so everything that we're talking about, you can see the encore.
Okay.
So if you go to ForShawn in iRise simulation.
And that shows me again ForShawn. No, it shows me ForShawn. Well, okay, maybe it's the page. It has a big properties window open on top of it. But other than that, it could be a rendering of the page.
Yeah, I mean, it's just started it. I could, if you want, I'll.
Okay, there we go. It's working. I'm with you. I misidentified that screen. I've been here before. I just didn't recognize it. So I picked the avocado. I clicked the demo link right below, and it filled in what color is the avocado, which shows that the now. So what did you call that variable, ForShawn?
It's ForShawn fruit selected.
And so now.
Yeah.
The only remaining thing.
I'm gonna rename that one. I'm gonna just. Oh yeah, just ForShawn fruit selected.
The fruit select. So how to drive a different list in the iRise auto suggest on the right?
Yep. So this is what we're gonna need. If you go to that page.
Left the call. Should I leave the hangout?
Yeah, leave the hangout.
Okay.
I'm gonna need a Excel spreadsheet.
Yep. Well, or just for the table?
Yes.
Data table.
Yep. So if you go to what I have, actually I'll call it fruit color.
Now I'm looking at a rendered version of the page.
Oh, go back to the ForShawn go to the For Every Idea one.
Okay.
Are you on the wiki page, Sean?
Yeah, I mean, all it says on the wiki page is iRise ForShawn and gives you that link to the simulation.
Okay, can you refresh the page to? You should be on like version 6.
There we go. Orange, banana, banana.
Yep. So I need that data sheet. If you can fill that out there, put that in Excel, something like that. Then we'll have the selected fruit match this, and then we've got that array that we can put into the iBlock.
I understood that, but I'm still thinking, okay.
So if we can get.
I don't have Microsoft Office on this computer.
Okay, well, anything that's
I get into compatibility. Once again, if I start sending you my off-brand spreadsheet.
Well, fortunately, I am compatible with everything. If you can get anything, but it would just follow that format. fruit color, and then fruit sort. And I'm just trying to 2, 1, 1. All right, if you update that one more time, if you should be on version 9.
Want to do it? So you have fruit. What does fruit sort do?
You'll use that later on, but usually if like in the array, you might want it showing up in a certain way. It's easier to handle it as a sort.
Oh, okay. So
Instead of figuring out alphabetizing, yeah, that for some reason it's just at the end of the day it is a lot easier to. At the end of the day, it's a lot easier to just do numeric sorts. Sometimes I've just had frustrations with the alphabet, and so long answer, but that's for presentation.
Okay, so I typed this in just so that made me read it. If you add apple yellow 1, then that's all the list I want, right? This gives me a different orange, banana, and apple vocabulary.
Okay.
Like a second.
Well, at the very least, I can prove to you that this logic works with just this data sheet with what's there. Okay.
I'm with you.
All right, so I've got that data sheet. Let's go ahead and.
So what I lost is the ability to just watch you do it, though, right?
Yeah, and that's we're experiencing a limitation. I think next time we need to have Skype, or GoToMeeting's the best.
Labels were too small, but I could at least see what was going on. I might do hangouts for that. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you saying about not being able to read. I just thought maybe we could make it larger, but when we couldn't, we threw the baby out with the bathwater.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have said that.
It's not. That is, we were having a screen resolution.
Yeah, no, it was. But like that, it wasn't like it was failing. It was just I don't have good eyesight, which I have.
We can always blame it on the computer. The computer can take it.
Yeah. So talk through. Well, you're not real good at that. You tend to do things just real quick.
Oh, so yeah, what I'm doing is I am. Let me go back to ForShawn. For every idea. I have two things open. I have my iRise open, and I've got that wiki page open on the left side. So I'm typing in orange, lowercase orange, lowercase orange, and fruit dot sort as 1. And this is a data sheet that we're going to pull from to populate the drop down boxes. Green. I'm on bananas. We've got a couple colors. It can be green, it can be yellow, and it can be brown. And I got, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and let's give another one. What was avocado? Another one we have.
Sure.
Oh, we had carrot and avocado we need to describe.
But you have banana, so I just wanted multiple choices on each menu there. That's why I was thinking. But you got that. You got multiple bananas and then multiple colors for the banana on the right hand one. So
Okay.
I like the vocabulary.
All right. Because I'm avocado. I'm using a drip avocado. Have you heard of drip?
So I think of it as information gathering.
What is that? So I was told it means do not repeat yourself.
Oh, okay.
So I was trying to do some of that drip stuff. So I've got the get record. Got a data sheet up there for get record, and what I want to do is I want to create a cast. And is your studio still installing?
Yeah, I'd like to see this.
Well, you can see this. I'm recording it, so I will. You can see the encore of this one.
Okay.
Well, actually, though, you know what? I'm going to turn the audio on, so it's recording. I'm not sure if it's recording my audio, but you've got a video of this at least.
Okay, cool.
So I'm going to take the clipboard ForShawn fruit selected, run that into a cast, run the cast into the data sheet, and I want a where condition on the fruit. From there, I'm going to have fruit options, or I'm just going to have it go to clipboard, but it's send.
It's going to be where fruit equals, and then you'll show the color, right?
Yep, I'm going to show the color.
Okay, I've done that. I know what you mean.
Color options. All right, so if you're watching your iRise screen, I'm going to make it so you can select Apple, demo select. Oh wait, fruit color. All right, we go to the debug window. Oops, wrong one. Debug data tracker. So see the fruit color selected. Let's try banana. Alright, so it knows I selected the color, the fruit. Okay, fruit selected is banana. It's a problem with the copy and pasting. I may have had a typo, so I'm just going to copy from here. Here, my first. And, oh, yeah, I should probably check the criteria too. I forgot. Where fruit equals cast. I can never remember match all or any.
Yeah, those make no sense to me. I think it's all any. Well, I think that has to do with when you have multiple rules, but I always end with kind of one rule. Right? Aren't they really saying match any rule or match all rules? In other words, it's an and or an or. If you've got to match all rules, it's an and if you've got to match any rule, it's an or.
Okay. Change this to... Alright, so it knows the fruit colors that you. I will also do test. Okay, so there's something funny going on with the clipboard, but I do have it working. Test red, test yellow.
Oh, good. You got us out of the mobile interface.
Yes.
So it's an apple. And I've selected an apple. And then I go over to the other auto suggest, and I have to know.
I'm just about to make that smarter, that auto suggest. Okay, now the auto suggest is smarter. Well, it's getting smarter anyways.
Okay, so I see one of the things is we were kind of showing Rise auto suggest versus Tony's combo box.
Yes.
Can we just use Tony's combo box on both of them?
Sure.
Because the right hand one is where I want that down arrow, because think about it, the colors, red, yellow, green, see, they're just never going to start with the same letter.
So would you agree that my combo box is better than the iRise one?
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
okay.
That was never really an issue. I should have made that clearer.
Okay. Yeah, so I wanted to do that.
The only problem I had with your combo box was that I kept looking around for it and couldn't seem to install it, you know?
Yeah.
Like that. I mean, I never got to it to see it. So I really like the functionality here, how that I can type in an A and it shows me everything with it. Actually, it shows me everything. Oh, because you have it so that if there's an A anywhere in the word.
Yeah, but that's the same thing as the auto suggest, but now I have it, if you want to see what's there, you can.
Yeah, which means I can just hit the down arrow and it shows me the whole vocabulary.
And I've replaced, so they should be both using mine. We'll see if it works on the first try. Oh, you know what? I think I have a limitation where, in my implementation, it only works once. So you still have it. So my auto suggest isn't working. I needed to work on it right now.
It only works once in what? Like I see how it says red, but it puts each letter on a different line.
Yeah. So. Oh, so my there's something a little goofy. Yeah. So I guess iRise is a little bit more robust. I could just, you know what I'm going to do? The last option that you can have, and this works just as well, I'm going to switch over to the editor. And iRise has a pre-built widget. So I'll just pick. Yep. So I'm going to pick from the Bootstrap widgets, the 2.6. And I'm just going to use the Bootstrap one.
Okay, so I know what Bootstrap is, and I understand all those words, but I think of Bootstrap as being much like JavaScript. You can somehow use a Bootstrap widget in iRise.
Yes, because iRise is made out of Bootstrap.
Okay.
It's kind of like, can you also use, what's that?
How do you install it? I'm way back
It just comes with it. iRise has it.
Okay. Oh, okay. It's just on a menu somewhere or something.
Yep.
How do you access this widget?
You have to hit the edit screen. You're having some difficulty with that.
Oh. I'll go and refresh the edit screen.
All right. So, anyways, so the issue with mine, it's a half-baked one, and it only works. You know, I can only have one of those on.
So you can only use yours once, is what you're saying?
Right now, unless I got around to fixing the, there's some logic in there, and that is JavaScript. So there's something in my JavaScript file that I need to update to make that iBlock better. So you might want to use one of the other things that they have.
Okay. Now the other option is, if you think it's just like a variable that's stepping on itself or something, could you create an updated version that is the second instance on a given page? So even though it sounds silly, then you have Tony's first combo box and Tony's second combo box, just so they don't step on one another?
That is possible. I don't know, but yeah. So there's some debugging. So basically, I think all I've proven is I've got a visual behavior that's pretty solid on mine.
Oh,
My logic is weak.
No, not weak. You remember, and I feel like I'm saying the wrong thing here, Brian. I've said over and over that my problem with all the widgets, not just the ones you write, but